In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Odoo Invoice bill for freelancers. We'll walk through the full process of creating a freelance invoice in Odoo, starting from the home screen and ending with a finalized invoice that you can send to your client or download as a PDF. This is a practical workflow for freelancers who bill by project, by day, or by hour. First, go to the Odoo homepage. From there, open the accounting module. This is where Odoo manages invoices, payments, customer billing, and other financial records, so it's the right place to create a professional client invoice. Once you're inside accounting, click on Customers and then choose Invoices. This will take you to the customer invoice list where you can view existing invoices or create a new one. To begin a fresh invoice, click New. Now you'll need to select the customer. If the client already exists in your Odoo database, simply choose them from the list. If not, you can create a new customer record at this stage. It's a good idea to make sure the customer information is correct before moving on, because this will appear on the invoice and help keep your records organized. Next, click Add a line to enter what you're billing for. In the product or service field, type the service name. For example, you might enter something like Freelance Service. This line describes the work you're charging for, so make it clear enough that your client can easily understand the invoice. After that, add the quantity. In a freelance workflow, the quantity can represent the number of hours worked, the number of days, or even the number of projects completed, depending on how you price your services. Then enter the unit price. This is your rate for each hour, day, or project. Odoo will automatically calculate the total based on the quantity and unit price, which makes it much easier to avoid manual errors. Click on the quantity field as needed to review or adjust the value. This is a simple but important check, especially if you're billing based on time worked and want to ensure everything matches your agreement with the client. Next, verify the taxes if applicable. Depending on your location or business setup, taxes may need to be added, removed, or adjusted. Always take a moment to confirm that the tax settings are correct before finalizing the invoice. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. This validates the invoice and makes it official in Odoo. After confirming, you can click Send and Print to email the invoice directly to the client or download it as a PDF for your own records or manual sending. And that's how to make an Odoo invoice bill for freelancers.